Then we do some pulses. Do the pulses until they're just, you can still see little chunks of bean. Should look like that. See, little chunks in there. Then pour it in there. Unplug it. Set it off to the side. So now we got that. So now we got our stuff. All right. Now we're going to add boiling water. With our kettle. Fill our kettle up here with plenty of water. Yeah, there we go. We're getting it boiling now. Got the steam. Got it superheated. You know, we've got to heat it all the way through. Turn it off before it reaches the max boiling point. I'll let all the bubbles subside. Okay. Should be able to check the temperature next time. All right, now we're going to take this and pour it. Like so, just into the bottom. Take our wood, preferably wood, but a silicone spoon. We're going to agitate the coffee. Make sure that we get all of it in the hot water. The reason we don't put it in boiling is because we don't want to burn the coffee. I'll wash that off in my little prep sink. Put that right here. Okay, we're gonna let that set for a little bit. Turn the water back on. Heat it up some more. Keep that water nice and hot. We're going to wait about a minute. We're going to let that steep, percolate in there. If you don't like waiting, you can always fast forward it. This is not an exact science necessarily. Each of the beans is going to taste a little bit different. type of water you put in is going to be a little bit different. How much heat this holds is really critical. The glass ones have a tendency to lose their heat, so you got to keep your water nice and hot, but not boiling. All right, so we're starting to get, this is what it should kind of look like from the top. Okay, so we got our coffee concentrate. All right, now that we got that in there and it's all liquided out, heat the water back up. Okay, we know just under boiling. Turn it off. We're going to add the water all the way up to the plunge line. And that's what it should look like there. And we're going to add the plunger, but don't plunge, just attach it. Make sure the arrow or whatever is the indicator to the spout is away from the spout. Go ahead and remove our water, get it out of the way. It's nice and hot. All right, we're going to let this steep for 6 minutes. Okay, we're getting close to the 6 minutes mark on the timer. I've got my favorite mug. Put boiling water in it to warm the cup up. I'll go ahead and pour that out. Steam coming out of the cup. Beautiful. All right, getting close here. Now, start to push this just a little bit. Get that down to the mark. All right, so now it's going off. Hold the top lid so that you don't get any movement. And a nice even push. Slowly, so you don't lose any of those chunks. All the way to the bottom. Slow, even pressure. Right before you get to the bottom, stop. Turn off the alarm. Okay, so now we got our cup of coffee. Got the internals. You can see that the grounds are on the bottom. Got a nice foam on the top. Let's see if we get a different angle here. There we go. I still got enough room for everything else. And put some lactose-free milk in it, some sugar. Got our sugar. Spoon. Like so. Give a good stir. Let the sugar dissolve. Lactose-free whole milk. I can see it running around in there. Nice light brown. That's nice. And that's my cup of coffee. Let's see how it tastes.